Bam. We in there, we're live.
Hi, I'm Monica.
This work we do out here is no joke. It might seem like it's light, but this shit is dangerous.
What's up? I'm Dave.
I got up, I turned around, I went to take a step. There was nothing to step on.
Scared the shit out of me. And this is
Investor Verified.
This show is going to talk about everything that is related to investing in properties, residential and commercial. And it's also going to talk about rehab work, making things better than
They were.
better than they were. Buy properties, we buy land, but we also do rehab and handyman work as well. So we're going to tell you all about how to do those things step by step. Not only how to acquire properties, but how to make them beautiful at the same time.
You know what I realized is how we feed off of each other, because she has a lot of information and knowledge regarding investing and driving income through that.
You know, this is what I do full time.
I have a lot of knowledge and information regarding how to make things better, how to fix them up, how to repair them. We're learning parts of the other person's skill set.
Yes, because I still don't know what all of those tools, what the names of those tools are. I just know it's called a thingy.
Some of my best part of my day is when she calls and says, hey, bring the thingy over that does this. Be right there with the thingy.